Are you feeling the dread of disabled Facebook ad account? You are not alone. Many advertisers face this frustrating hurdle. But don't worry, today I am going to guide you through the steps to recover your disabled Facebook ad account in 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, check your Facebook Ads Manager. If your account is disabled, you'll typically see a red bar at the top of the page. This is your first clue that something is wrong. If you receive an email notification instead, follow the instructions provided there to submit an appeal. Understanding why your account was disabled is crucial. Common reasons include payment issues. Ensure your payment methods are up to date and that are no outstanding charges. Policy violations. Review Facebook's advertising policies to identify any potential violence, such as multiple ad accounts for the same business or rejected ads. Now that you know what might have gone wrong, it's time to take action. Go to Facebook's official appeal form. Enter your email or phone number associated with the account. Provide your full name and upload a government-issued ID. In the additional info section, explain why you believe your account should be raised instead. Contact support. Navigate to your ads manager. Click on the question mark in the top right corner and select Still Need Help. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for updates from Facebook regarding your appeal status. Recovering a disabled Facebook ad account can be a daunting process, but by following these steps, checking for issues, submitting a detailed appeal, and contacting support, you can increase your chances of getting back on track. Remember, patience is key. If you follow these guidelines and maintain compliance with Facebook's policies, you'll be back to running successfully ad campaigns in no time. So grab that coffee and get started on recovering your account today. Thank you for watching.